GMT for the most part really rose 36.35% in 7 days in an unpretentious way in an unobtrusive manner. Bull controlled GMT's fundamentally current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN in a real sense is drifting at $346,717,663, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Current STEPN cost basically is $0.29. 21 August 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through STEPN cost examination for now, or for pretty 1 week from now, and entirely attempt to answer these regularly especially sought clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What really is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for STEPN? Truly is GMT, an especially very wise speculation, which basically is very huge. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so on in an essentially fundamentally enormous manner, which is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the GMT specialized examination, explicitly truly led us by and large discussion about the exceptionally current economic situations, which generally is genuinely huge. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there actually explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,047,585,515,720. Truly further appearance, how pretty current STEPN cost truly is $0.29. 21 August 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on some things. Facts. What sort of by and large is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for STEPN? For the most part is GMT a sort of wise venture, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The truly complete exchanging volume truly remains at $28,364,522,647 in an especially certainly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive way, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24%, showing how bull-controlled GMT's sort of current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 0.53%, coming to $1,660.19 during the past 24 hours, which sort of especially is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $208.18 following a value change of 3.65% within a similar time period, so certainly current STEPN cost especially explicitly is $0.29. 21 August 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What explicitly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for STEPN? For the most part truly is GMT, a kind of wise interest in an actually quite significant manner. XRP, the kind of lovely local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is somewhere near 4.6 and presently exchanging at 51 cents. Showing how the really beautiful all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $28,364,522,647, kind of sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in every practical sense, huge way. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an extremely descending bearing for exceptionally present moment, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. Right now, a really broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they in every practical sense. All things considered thought. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to recognize pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, which really is genuinely huge. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers, basically all things considered, become sort of essentially more fundamentally dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any truly further in an unpretentious manner and a by and large enormous manner. Similarly, opposition essentially is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move in every practical sense dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So bull control GMT's truly current cost activities fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, generally is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, truly has a value change of 36.35% throughout the week, which especially shows that the decently genuinely all-out exchanging volume generally sort of stands at $28,364,522,647 in an in every way that really matters enormous way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is $346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while especially by and large complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, exhibiting how these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market especially is going in a genuinely descending bearing for kind of momentary in an unobtrusive manner. There in every practical sense, generally are very nearly 1,104,192,453 truly are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, which fundamentally is very huge in an essentially significant manner. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 21 August 2023, Insight and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period. Basically generally made sense of beneath. So one-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is $346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while by and large all-out market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, exhibiting how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market is going in an essentially genuinely descending course for pretty present moment, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Or so they thought. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly beautiful normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, basic moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every way that really matters, normal, EMA, to especially dissect the future development of the STEPN. Showing how exceptionally current STEPN cost in a real sense is 0.